Are you tired of dull and low-quality video from your laptop camera? Imagine transforming your video calls, presentations, and recordings into professional-grade quality with just your phone. Sounds incredible, right? That's where Camo comes in. Camo lets you use your smartphone as a high-quality webcam, making it easier than ever to stand out on video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with Camo, set it up on your PC and phone, and take full advantage of its powerful features like green screen and custom backgrounds. Let's dive in. What is Camo? Before we jump into the setup, let me give you a quick background on Camo. Camo was created to solve a simple but important problem: improving video quality for people without needing expensive hardware. Their manifesto says it all. They want to help everyone stand out with compelling video, whether you're presenting, streaming, or just catching up with friends. The best part? You can use your iPhone or Android phone as a webcam, which is often way better than most laptop cameras. Let's get this setup going. Downloading Camo on your PC. First things first, you need to download Camo on your computer. 1. Head over to reincubate.com/camo. 2. Click on the download button for your operating system, whether you're on Windows or Mac. 3. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the instructions to install Camo on your PC. 4. Skip the tour or click on Ready and Continue. Here, you'll need to provide basic information like your name and email address. You can also upload a profile picture if you want. 5. Finally, click on the Install button to complete the setup. Downloading Camo on your phone. Now it's time to get Camo on your smartphone. I'm using an iPhone for this demo, but the process is similar on Android too. 1. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store for Android. 2. Search for Camo and download the app. Now we've got Camo on both our PC and phone. Let's connect them. Connecting your phone to your PC. Here's where the magic happens: connecting your phone as a webcam for your laptop. 1. Open the downloaded Camo application on your PC. 2. Go to the integrated webcam option and pair your device. 3. A QR code will appear on your PC screen. 4. On your phone, open the Camo app, click on the Wi-Fi type icon, and scan the QR code. That's it! Your iPhone camera will now work as a high-quality webcam on your PC. Let's explore some of the exciting features Camo offers. Using the green screen feature, Camo makes it super easy to use a green screen and customize your background. 1. Go to the Background tab in Camo Studio. 2. Select the green screen option. 3. You can choose to blur the background or replace it with any image or video you want. For example, I'm going to put myself in front of background. Let's take a quick picture and a short video to show how it works. Take a picture and a video with the green screen effect. As you can see, it's seamless and looks professional. No need for expensive DSLR cameras or complicated setups. Camo isn't just about connecting your phone as a webcam. It also offers virtual bokeh effect to blur your background, adjustable settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation, overlays for branding or adding text to your video, fun options like emojis, animal faces like a jaguar, and various shapes to enhance your videos. These features are perfect if you're a content creator or someone who wants to improve their video presence. Plus, it's a game changer for product marketing videos. That's it for today's tutorial on Camo. I hope this video helps you improve your video quality, whether you're creating content, streaming, or attending virtual meetings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Camo or if there are other tools you'd like me to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy video making!